Hi guys, Chus here and welcome to my first vlogging video. As you probably already know, this is a vlogging channel for my gaming and cover channel, Choco Chus. It's spelled like CHOCOALCHERS, and go check it out if you haven't already. And I'm just making this is just a testing vlog, and I'm just making this just because it's like raining like crazy and I have nothing better to do. Yeah, I wonder if you can see it. Can you see it? You probably can't see the rain, but okay, I'm going to go down and show you guys to see what it's like. And yeah, I'm just here at a car repair shop to wait for my father's car to be repaired. There's a dent that someone made. Oh god, it's raining even heavier. Hello Daddy, say hello to YouTube. As you probably can already hear, it's raining like hell. I wonder if you can see it. Oh god, my screen is getting wet. Okay, I think I better get back to the car and quit. Okay, so that's all for today's vlog. So yeah, like you enjoyed and be sure to subscribe for more and check out my other channel.